Cat paw prints on your car paint may look cute at first, but they can leave behind dirt, stains, and even light scratches that affect your vehicle's shine and overall appearance. Before doing anything else, gently rinse the affected area with clean water. This step helps wash away loose dirt, dust, and tiny debris left behind by the cat paws. Removing these particles first is very important, because rubbing them against the surface can cause fine scratches on your car paint. After rinsing, wash the area with a high-quality, pH-neutral car shampoo and a soft microfiber wash mitt. A balanced car shampoo is specially designed to clean automotive paint without stripping wax or harming the protective clear coat. Gently move the mitt in straight lines instead of circular motions to minimize swirl marks. This method effectively removes remaining paw prints, smudges, and grime while keeping your car finish smooth, glossy, and well protected. For light cat paw prints or faint smudges, a soft microfiber cloth can be one of the safest and easiest solutions. Slightly dampen the cloth with clean water, then wipe the affected area using slow, straight motions. Microfiber is specially designed to lift dirt and dust without scratching the paint, making it ideal for delicate car finishes. Avoid pressing too hard, as trapped debris can create fine swirl marks. With gentle handling, a microfiber cloth can quickly restore your car's smooth, clean shine while keeping the paint protected. A quick detailer spray is an excellent option for removing light cat paw prints, while maintaining your car glossy finish. Simply spray a small amount onto the affected area, or directly onto a clean microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the surface in straight, even strokes to lift away smudges, dust, and minor marks left by your cat paws. If cat paw prints have left behind faint scratches or dull spots on your car paint, polishing the surface can help restore its original shine. Use a high-quality car polish and a soft applicator pad to gently buff the affected area in smooth, controlled motions. Polishing works by removing a very thin layer of the clear coat, which helps reduce the surface imperfections caused by dirt trapped under the cat paws. After polishing, wipe the area clean with a microfiber towel to reveal a smoother, glossier finish that brings back your car fresh, well-maintained look. By following these right cleaning methods, you can safely remove cat paw prints and keep your car looking smooth, glossy, and spotless every day. Regular care and proper protection will also help prevent future marks and maintain your car flawless finish for the long run.